Hi everyone, my name is John. I'm here today to tell you about the new Authonet products. Authonet is a new security product that complements a firewall product. Most of you have firewall products in your networks, and firewalls are great for protecting a network against a direct attack. Unfortunately, the data thieves know this, and so they've developed techniques to bypass a firewall. They've developed techniques to steal passwords, and they've developed a technique called phishing, which is used in most of the attacks. That's phishing with a PH. And what that means is they're sending out fake emails with links, hoping that people click on the links. And once the link is clicked, that will install what is called a Trojan virus, which gives the criminal access to that computer. And so once the criminal has access to the computer, then he can attack the network servers and encrypt the files, steal data. So Authonet is a new type of product which uses a new technology that has been developed to protect business networks against cyber criminals who attack using password theft and phishing. And we're going to produce more videos to tell you about the dangers of phishing, about the technology that's used in the Authonet products. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. See you next time.